You want to hit your first 100,000 peso savings this 2026? Then watch this video. Hi CCs, this is Trixie and I usually talk about personal finance, travel, and tips. And one recommendation I would suggest if you want to hit your first 100,000 peso savings is to automate it. CCs, usually kasi nahihirapan tayo dahil nakakalimutan natin ang mag-save agad para sa ating financial goals. Kaya automating your savings through your preferred bank ang best para sa'yo. So, how to automate your savings? First, you need to choose your preferred bank. Let's say BPI. Sa setting ng iyong app, makikita mo yung option to automate your savings. Pag sinet up mo to, you just need to add date kung kailan mo gustong madidak ang savings mo. Pwede ka din mamili kung magkanong amount yung isi-save mo. Please take note that you need to have two accounts. One kung saan madideduct ang pera mo at number two kung saan mo isi-save ang pera mo. I recommend choosing a day after ng sahod para sure na madededuct agad yung amount at may transfer sa savings account mo. In this way, automatically nakakapag-save ka ng pera agad. Hindi mo na siya magagastos. Para siyang forced savings. Pero in the end, it will help you reach your financial goals. If you like this type of video, be sure to follow.